In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP with Match in Google Sheets for flexible, header-based lookups. Start by opening your Google Sheets document so we're working in the right place. Next, click the cell where you want the result of your lookup to appear. This will be the home for the formula and the value it returns. Begin typing the formula by entering lookup. VLOOKUP takes 4 parts: the value you want to search for, the range where you want to search, the column number to return from, and whether you want an exact match or not. We're going to make the column selection dynamic using match, so the formula stays accurate even if columns move. For the lookup value, we'll use a simple example, the text item. This is the value VLOOKUP will search for in the first column of your range. Keep in mind, VLOOKUP always searches the first column of the range you provide. In our example, that range will be A2-D10, which means the search happens in column A. Now for the smart part, instead of hard-coding a column number, we'll use match to find it by header name. Match looks across your header row, A1 through D1 in this case, and returns the position of the header you specify. For instance, match price A1D1 0 scans the header row and returns the column position where it finds price. The final 0 tells match to look for an exact match of the header text. Putting it together, your finished formula looks like this. Lookup item A2-D10 match price A1-D1 0 false. Here's what it does. It searches for the text item in column A, then returns the corresponding value from the price column, wherever that price column sits within A to D. The false at the end ensures an exact match on the item name, which is what you typically want for clean data. Press Enter to run the formula. If item is found in column A and there's a matching value under the price header, you'll see the result appear in your selected cell. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your headers in A1-D1 include the exact text you're using in match, spelling and capitalization included. Confirm your data range. A2-D10 actually contains your items in column A and the price values somewhere between columns B and D. If you see an NA error, it often means the item name or the header text doesn't match exactly, or the item isn't in the first column of the specified range. Adjust the ranges or text as needed, and your lookup will stay reliable even if your columns shift.